Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best blind spot mirrors that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Rhombus Blind Spot Mirror. Have you been looking for the best blind spot mirror for your vehicle? You need to buy this ideal product as it enhances your safety when on the road. The product not only comes with high functionality but also offers you amazing aesthetics for your vehicle. Therefore, you do not have to worry about it getting in the way of how your car looks. Furthermore, this product relieves you the burden of turning heads and second guess whenever you are changing lanes on the road. It gives you a view of the entire right and left lane. The installation of this product is a breeze, and this is mainly facilitated by the 3M heavy-duty adhesive that comes with the package. Its base is adjustable, and this means that you can effortlessly turn or rotate to match your needs. At number 4, Prettygaga Blind Spot Mirror. Here is a fan-shaped blind spot mirror that you will always love as it gives you a clear view. Therefore, this is a product that will boost your safety when you are riding on the road. To facilitate its effectiveness, this product comes with a convex shape and this heightens its safety. The package contains 2 pieces to ensure that you enjoy great value for your money. Ideally, this product features an adjustable and rotatable design that offers you a wide view angle that you will always love. Furthermore, this product comes with a mounting bracket to simplify the installation process, saving you time and effort. One of the things that you will love about this product is that it comes with an IP65 waterproof rating and it also features rust resistance. At number 3, Utopicar Blind Spot Mirror. This is the best blind spot mirror that you can buy on the market in 2021. One of the things that make it the best product on the market is that it features amazing clarity and it has a pocket-friendly price. Ideally, this product features no-fail adhesive to facilitate effortless installation, and the 3M is long-lasting. By eliminating guesswork, this product ensures that you can now securely merge highways and change lanes, giving you great confidence when on the roads. Moreover, this product has a frameless design to ensure that it gives your vehicle a clean finish. To give you great visibility, this product is very clear. It is equipped with a highly reflective silver film that remains clear without fading. With its highly competitive price, this product can be bought even when you are running on a budget. At number 2, Essential Contraptions Blind Spot Mirror. Essential Contraptions Blind Spot Mirror is the ideal product that you ought to buy when you need clear visibility when on the roads before changing lanes or merging highways. One of the things that you will appreciate about this product is that it comes with an aluminum frame to facilitate rust resistance. Therefore, this is a product that will serve you for a long time, saving you money in the long run. Ideally, this product comes with 4 pieces to ensure that you get great value for your money. Additionally, this product has a cheap price that allows you to buy it when running on a budget. Besides, it comes with a peel and stick design that gives it effortless installation, saving you both time and effort. This product also gives you a satisfaction guarantee to ensure that it is a risk-free purchase. Finally, at number 1, Utopicar Blind Spot Mirror. This product is specifically designed to ensure that you get a bigger image than other products on sale. Therefore, it will give the ultimate solution to your blind spot issue, giving you amazing safety while behind the wheel. One of the things that you will love about it is that it comes with strong adhesive to ensure that it will not fall off with long-term use. Moreover, this product has waterproof construction to eliminate the chances of corrosion and rust, making it ideal for the outdoor environment. It also comes with a high reflective silver film that makes the product the best mirror on the market. To ensure that your vehicle has the best look, this product has a frameless construction that you will always love. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.